Hello students, hope you are all having a good time in your holidays, hope you are doing good. In the previous class we discussed about finding range of a quadratic expression. In today's class we will discuss yet another numerical. Discuss the sign of the quadratic expression when x is real. You have to talk about the sign of the quadratic expression. Here the first numerical you have here is x square minus 5x plus 4. First let us factorize it. Minus 5x can be written as minus 4x minus x. Take x common. What do you have if you take x common from these two? X into x minus 4. Take minus 1 common, you have x minus 4. Take x minus 4 common, you have x minus 1. Here a value, a is 1. A is the coefficient of x square. A is 1 which is greater than 0. Expression will be positive if x is less than 1 or x is greater than 4. Expression will be negative if x lies between 1 and 4. See here, we have to always compare the sign of a with the expression. Now, a is positive. For expression to be positive, it must be less than the least or greater than the greatest. For the expression to be negative, that is for the expression to have opposite sign, x should lie between 1 and 4. X lies between 1 and 4. Let us discuss the next problem. Here a is equal to 1 which is greater than 0. Let us find delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3 minus plus 1 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 11 which is less than 0. Whenever a is greater than 0 and delta is less than 0, the given expression is true for all real values of x. For the given expression is positive for all real values of x. Note down these two problems, children. Let us discuss the next kind of problems. For what value of x? For what values of x the following expressions are positive? Let us discuss the first one. X square minus 5x plus 6. The very first step you have to do is you have to factorize. This is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. That is equal to x into x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2. Take x minus 2 common. If you take x minus 2 common, you will be having x minus 3. Here a is equal to 1 which is greater than 0. For the expression also to be positive, what you have to write that x is greater than 3 and x is less than 2. For expression to be positive, x must be greater than, x is less than 2 or x is greater than 3. If x does not lie between 2 and 3, then expression will become positive. And here a is equal to 1 greater than 0. Expression also to be positive, x has to be less than 2 or x has to be greater than 3. Next problem. 3x square plus 4x plus 4. Here a is equal to 3 greater than 0. Let us find delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is 4 square minus 4 into 3 into 4, that is 16 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, that is equal to minus 32 less than 0. Here expression is greater than expression a is equal to 3 greater than 0 and delta is less than 0. Therefore expression is positive for all real values of x. That is about the second problem, children. Let us go to third problem. Four x minus 5x square plus 2. Let us factorize this. Minus 5x square plus 4x plus 2. 5 2s are 10 and here you have 4. How can you get? Let us factorize this, children. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b is minus 4 plus or minus under root of b square 4 square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a, that is minus 5. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 16 plus 4 5 is 20, 22 is 40 by minus 10. You have x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 56 by minus 10. 56 can be written as 14 into 4. Okay. Minus 4 plus or minus root 14 into 2 by minus 10. Take minus sign common, you have 4 plus or minus 2 root 14 by 10. Take 2 common, you have 2 plus or minus root 14 by 5. So here, for this expression to be positive, here a is equal to minus 5, which is less than 0. Expression is positive is positive if x lies between 2 minus root 14 by 5 and 2 plus root 14 by 5. That can be written as 2 minus root 14 by 5 less than x less than 2 plus root 14 by 5. This is your third problem. Let us discuss the next numerical. We have discussed for what value of x the following expression are positive. Now for what values of x the following expression are negative, we shall discuss this. First problem, x square minus 7x plus 10. First step is you need to factorize this. X square minus 2x minus 5x plus 10. This is equal to x into x minus 2 minus 5 into x minus 2 is is equal to x minus 5 into x minus 2. Here a is equal to 1 greater than 0. If expression is less than 0, then x lies between minus 5, x lies between 2 and 5. If expression is negative, then 2 is less than x less than 5. Our next problem. (15 plus 4x minus 3x square). 15 plus 4x minus 3x square. Here, let us factorize this. Minus 3x square plus 4x plus 15. 15 threes are 45. And 15 threes is 45. You have 4 here. Let us use x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 4 square minus 4 into minus 3 into 15, 2 into a, that is minus 3. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 16 plus 15 into 12. This is 180 by 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. X is equal to, take minus sign common, you have 4 plus or minus root of 196 by 6. X is equal to 4 plus or minus root 196 is 14 by 6. So x is equal to 4 plus 14 by 6, or x is equal to 4 minus 14 by 6. X is equal to 18 by 6, x is equal to minus 10 by 6. So x is equal to 3, or x is equal to minus 5 by 3. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are, right. Now we want expression to be negative. Here a is equal to minus 3 less than 0. X must be greater than 3 or x must be less than minus 5 by 3 for expression to be negative. We'll discuss the next problem. Third question. Find the maximum or minimum value for the following expression where x varies over r. First one, x square minus x plus 7. Whenever a is greater than 0, the expression has minimum value. Whenever a is less than 0, the expression has maximum value. That value is given by 4ac minus b square by 4a. That value is given by 4ac minus b square by 4a. So here a is equal to 1 greater than 0. So it has minimum value. The minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4 into 1 into 7 minus b square by 4 into 1. 7 4s are 28 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 27 by 4. Next question. 12 minus x square minus 32. Here a is equal to minus 1 less than 0. So maximum, it has got maximum value. The maximum value is once again 4ac minus b square by 4a, that is 4 into a minus 1, c is minus 32 minus 12x minus 4 into a into c minus b square. B square is 12 square by 4 into a is again minus 1. So 32 into 4, 128 minus 144 by minus 4. 128 minus 144, how much it will give you? 16 minus 16 by minus 4, that is 4. This is the maximum value. That's all for today, children. We'll continue in the next class.